We are asked to simplify square root of 10001 in base 2, leave our answer in base 2. This is binary numbers. All we are going to do first, we are going to convert this number inside the root into base what? 10. We are going to say 1 times 2, which one? This one times 2 plus this 0 times 2 plus this 0 times 2 plus this very one times 2. From there you start putting raised to power 0, raised to power 1, raised to power 2, and raised to power 3. But you should know that any number raised to power 0 is equals to 1. Now, we still rewrite our same number by having 1 times 2 raised to power 3 simply means 2 times 2 times 2 in 3 places, and it's going to give us 8. So here will be 8 plus 0, 2 raised to power 2 means 2 times 2. This one will give us 4. Plus this one will be 0. This one will give us what? 2. And we have already stated that any number raised to power 0 is 1. So this one is going to be what? 1 times what? 1. From here now we can see that 1 times 8 will be 8. Alright. Then the rest is plus 0. There's times here, plus 0, then plus 1. Automatically I'm going to have what? Root 9. Now what is root 9? Root 9 is 3. Now this 3 is already in base 10. So we're going to convert it from base 10 to base 2. All we need to do, we do our line like this. We put this 3 here and 2. We have our remainder. How many times can 2 go into 3? 1. Remainder what? 1. How many times can what? 1 going to do? This one is going to go 0 times. You put this one down. So automatically we write our answer from the bottom to the top. Our answer is supposed to be 3, but they say we should leave our answer in base 2. 1, 1 in base what?